What's up guys, it's Geeks Corner here. Today I'm going to be bringing you another jailbreak tweak. This time it's for Amazon for the dark mode. This one's actually called Amazon Night and it's by the same developers of Facebook dark mode as well. Now as you can see, the writing is obviously white with a black background, but with the pictures they've actually got a nice bright colours. They're not affected at all. Some of the writing's got some blue in there as well, so it really does pop coming off on this black one. So it is actually better than when you try and invoke the dark mode using the accessibility option as well with inverted colours. So they've actually really nailed this really well. Now I actually use the Amazon app quite a lot, so seeing this on here compared to the standard white one, it actually really does make a nice big difference. Now again, this is a paid tweak and we will be putting a link in the description below. If you haven't seen our Facebook dark mode video yet, well, then we will be putting a link in the description for that as well. Make sure you check this one out. And like I say, these guys have done this really well and it really does stand out. I've seen some other tweaks that do some sort of similar work, but it doesn't pop as much as this. So it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for some more dark mode. And I have to be honest, it's simple tweaks like this which is the reason I like the jailbreak so much. You can actually customize your device so it's more personal to you, and you can just change bits that, even though Apple has done a really good job with iOS, it's just basically changing some of the things that they haven't done, even though we wish they would, and it just makes it a bit more personal. Now I understand dark mode's not for everyone, but like I say, if you are into the dark mode and theme, this does really go well. I'm running this actually on a black iPhone 5S or space grey, so it definitely really does stand out. Okay, so we're going to be going on to iPhone 10 gestures now on iOS devices that are older. As I say, this is the iPhone 5S, and as you can see, you've got that little line here. You can control center from the right and the lock screen from the left. And this one again is a free tweak in Cydia, and this is Home Gestures Lite, and I will put a link in the description below as well for this one. It's worth checking out. Now actually onto the springboard design as well. I'm using SBEW9, and as you can see, it's got the date, the time, you've got the weather as well. And I'm actually using Boxy3, which I'll cover in just a moment, just to arrange the icons, as you can see. So we've got the different positional settings there. But I'm actually going to go ahead now and I'm actually going to change this springboard. I've had this for a couple of days now, and I'm actually going to try springboard EW3 no weather. And that now is going to look like this. I'm just going to respring the device, and as you can see, I've got the date and the timing as well. So with Boxy3, you can actually move the tiles around, and as you can see, it does give you a nice transparent look as well, so you can see where things are going to be positioned. So you can actually lay it out as you like it, so you do have full control. You got up, down, left, right, and you can actually add more rows in as well. So I'm actually going to go into the settings and I'm going to actually change the layout on this to make it look a bit better, but I'm just going to bring the icons up first so they're closer to the date and time there. Okay, let's close this down, and then we're going to go into our settings, and then we're going to go down to Boxy. Now I am using Zen HTML to obviously use the springboard changes as well. And we're just going to go in here and change the layout, and we can actually change the number of rows as well. I've currently got it set at 2, so we're going to set it as 4, and then we're just going to apply the changes, and again that will cause a respring of the device. And there you go, so we got a nice cleaner look again with no weather. Obviously it depends on what you want, but these are actually available. It is through a paid June's iPhone secret repo, but it is definitely worth it. I've been subscribed to these guys for some time, and it's definitely worth checking out. So there you are guys, there's some tweaks and changes you can actually do to make your device more personal. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite, and thanks again guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.